Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for some more spotting. So a weekend or two ago, some A-10s came into town, and as you see, I tried out a new spot, the business park that is just to the east of the airport. Not the best for video, but pretty good for shots. So after about an hour or so of waiting, I checked the radar, and there were some storms that were on the way, and it was pop-up too, so I had to get back down to my house before the rain started pouring on me and my camera gear. So that's the situation right here, as you can see the clouds in the background. So basically the rain is coming, so I had to bail, and they did a military thing. They banked over my head. Here, there's one of them. Number 2 over here. I'm not in a great spot, I know, but tomorrow morning I'll get them. And there's number 3. So the next morning, yes, I did go for the A-10s, and there was even a C-40 Clipper that was accompanying them, as you see right there. There was also a UPS MD-11, which is why I wanted to go down there for the morning, and also a Delta 737-800, which does not come often. As we roll these shots past, here's the UPS. I also got some more shots for my Instagram. Make sure to go follow that, including these really nice tower shots. And here's that Delta 737. Alright, let's go to Monday. Wasn't ready for this one. Here we go. There's one over there. This fence is not cooperating. Grand total of 4 A-10s here, and I don't know where the 4th one is. So all 4 of them are gonna line up here on the runway. These are from the Tucson Air Force Base, Davis Monthan. So who knows, maybe I've seen these before. Here we go. and a Delta had to go around because of this. And last one. So that was the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more aviation content, as I have a lot of other spotting things going on, like an Air France E-170 and a T-38, and I'm currently here for a C-17. And also make sure to go follow my Instagram for more spotting photos, and we'll see you next time.